Yo, what's up? So we are in Uluwatu and check this out. Just behind us is the GWK in Ungasan, Uluwatu. So which is super cool.
So I will show you the room where we stay.
Check this out. Here we go. That's our room for today. Our trip to Uluwatu.
Yeah, so that's normal. This is the bed and that's the
Bathroom.
And then
But this is like a room.
balcony.
But the most important is the view from the balcony, because this is actually something cool. And as you can see all the base, and including the Mount Agung volcano over there. There is the airport. Where is my finger right now? Jimbaran Beach, motorway, Sanur, everything in one place. Super cool view, right?
Yeah. Well, basically that why we stay in the hotel. Well, we would like to say thank you to a beautiful, lovely couple from Netherlands who bought us the voucher to stay here for one night.
So basically this is the complimentary gift for us, which is we really appreciate, and a small review of the hotel and the area for you guys. And also we will explore today something cool in Uluwatu. Yes, Kani?
Yes,
But
thank you so much.
thank you so much, but we have to wait. It's so hot now, you know. It's so hot. Also here is one of the pools with the view. Nice. And here is the bar with the view of the GWK. And down there is the another pool. Very nice. And obviously the view is always everywhere like that. Hello.
Is that for you?
Yeah, kali Pak.
25. Recommended?
But at least in June, July.
Yeah, maybe.
So we are
Yeah,
in
also my
Malasti.
son said in airport.
She work in
writing-
airport?
Yeah. He said writing information until May, June or July.
Yeah, I think so.
If no reaction, maybe finish, stay home for work.
Yeah.
Oh.
Maybe dirumahkan.
Stay positive Pak, all
Ya,
will
terima
be
kasih
good.
banyak.
Matur
Yes,
suksemang.
terima kasih.
Yeay.
Very nice.
So, yeah, we are in Malasti now. And look at this. This guy is very positive.
Very nice guy, yeah, I have to say, very positive. And this is Malasti Beach, so
Very nice.
our favorite beach in Uluwatu area actually.
So, for entrance tickets for adults, you need to pay 10K for adults and 5K for children, is something like that.
Yeah, and 5K for the car, which is
Yes.
like we pay 25K.
Yes.
Not so bad at all.
Riding bicycles group.
Also quite good road for driving the skateboard.
Yes,
But
true.
you
Look.
have to be
Many
pro.
people.
Yeah, people coming here for pictures. Beautiful, the swans.
Yeah, and look at that. So nice.
Some tourists.
And right in front of us, the patrolling. So I think that's coming from the Banjar or coming from the police.
Yeah, they are driving slow.
Yeah, so. And also Malasti Beach is famous for, wedding. Look at the car in front of us, wedding. So just right in front of us, why they are driving so slowly?
Because this is like, check this
Okay,
out,
look.
what local people do.
No,
So-
I mean like this car, they are just
Because this is
pre-wedding couple.
classic car, and this is like a
Very nice.
very nice.
And then as you see, many people are here
Quite
and making pictures.
beautiful.
Yeah,
I mean,
look at
very
that.
happy as a
Very
soul.
good, very crowded, I can say. Oh, careful, honey.
Yeah.
So they are just. Look at this.
Quite many people on the
Many
beach.
people on the beach.
Seems like they are tourists, actually.
Yeah, I think that they are a group of students coming from other island. like you know, study tour group or something.
Quite busy.
Yeah, and then look at the warungs around.
Doggos.
Look at the lady with the beautiful doggos. Look at this big car
Look at this small bridge.
and the small bridge.
But at least we can leave the car here.
Look at the cliff up
Somewhere.
there. So nice.
Alright, so we parked our Jimny over here. I hope so monkey is not gonna jump from this cliff. And it's changed quite a lot here because they do some construction over here and we have to walk. Sorry for the loud music, but over here is the
Beach club.
beach club. Also, I'm thinking to fly drone today in Melasti Beach because, well, actually I've been quite many times here, but never fly drone, yes, honey? That's, I don't know why, so it's very good opportunity to fly today. And anyway, beautiful weather, beautiful vibes. Check this out. Yeah, so many people. Not so bad. So that's how it looks. Hello. I like your dog. So nice. Beautiful lady, beautiful dog, and that's how it looks. The situation slowly, very low tide, people chilling around. Here is some photo session also. Over there it's a little bit cloudy today, but in general it's very nice weather. People picnic here even, and will be beautiful sunset, but the sun is still very high. How do you feel, honey? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you happy?
Yes, and I really like the sand here in the Melasti. They
Very
are
clean,
very
honey.
clean and soft. So nice.
Yes, very nice. Very nice indeed. Check this out. Very nice sand. As you can see, people chilling around. It's low tide, so the water is like a kinda small natural pools. Kids playing. Also check this out, the sand. So nice. Okay, and over here the new warung seems like. I hope so. They have some sort of radler here. Just next over there is Karma Kandara, by the way, fancy beach club. But here is some small warung, so definitely we will have a look how it looks like over there. Beautiful weather, really beautiful. Nice to be here. Some people making pictures around. Families playing, here people playing. So that's the some cozy vibes, cozy warung, nice paintings. Sort of shame they don't have a radler, but they have a cola, which is not so bad. Very nice. Very nice sky, by the way. Colors. It's gonna be golden hour. So hot, seriously, like it's so hot, but it's so nice to be here. Honey already have a coconut, fresh young coconut. I have a Coke. Unfortunately, they don't have a radler. Nowadays it's normal thing. I almost already forgot how it tastes. Anyway, it's good opportunity to fly drone right now, so you will see beautiful shots from Melasti Beach right now.
We all live on time we borrow, time our children to us lend. Here today, but gone tomorrow, like a spark flying in the wind. We all look up to our fathers, all our lives if all is right, and we all need our mothers when the day is dark as night, and the drums of war are getting louder, a sound you never heard before. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door. Someone pulls an easy trigger, puts another to the ground, in disbelief, staring at his fingers, through which his blood runs with his life. And the drums of war are getting louder, a sound you never heard before. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door. The signs are there, right in front of us, for so long buried in the snow. Yes, here we are, shining diamonds, burning bridges as we go. And the drums of war are getting louder, a sound you never heard before. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door.
Okay, so I fly drone, I make a few beautiful shots. I hope so they are beautiful, and I hope so you enjoyed. Comment below what do you think. If you want, I can make it longer. And yeah, that's how it looks the life on the beach today in Uluwatu, Melasti, yes.
Yeah, so it seems like many domestic tourists actually.
Quite
in
many,
Melasti.
yeah, I have to say.
Alright, I think that's all our video today, guys, from Uluwatu. That's all, and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, see ya,
Bye.
take care. And our dinner arrived. Mi ayam, cola, sayang, lalapan. Washing hands, don't drink this, this is washing hands.
Selamat makan.
Smacznego, Rani.